Hi everyone, Asad here from Extnix, and today I'm going to upgrade the tail lights on my Mitsubishi Pajero. The tail lights I'm upgrading to are these ones. They are LED with the daytime running lights as well when we connect. Otherwise they will just turn on when the headlights gets turned on, or the parking mode, so we can connect these later on as well. The tools required for this is a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some kind of trim removing tool. I have a couple of plastic ones and the steel ones. So let's get started. It's pretty easy. There are two Phillips screws over here. So we'll simply remove them quickly. There you go. So they are out. We just pull the lights out. Again, very straightforward out. Lights are held by this clip. They're connected, and there are a couple of these plastic things that we have to remove from there, which are the stoppers for that. So I'm gonna take out this clip first. We just have a few tabs here, which we're gonna that actually it's pressed down and then release. So it hasn't been removed in a long time, so it's a bit hard to get it going. We'll see. Come on. Right, I may have to use a little bit of support from a screwdriver. There we go. It's unlocked now, and it comes out. So the light itself is out. Now we just have to remove the safety pins, which will go in here, and we'll mount it onto the new light. All right, so to remove this, I'll first try to use a pry tool. There we go. So the rubber has come out first. There we go. So these rubbers have come out. Now I have to remove these plastic sockets. So using a flathead screwdriver is going to come in handy for the lock clips. So just doing it gently, making sure it's not breaking anything. Right. Maybe I will use a stainless knife. All right. All right, so the clip is out now, as you can see. Okay, they are a bit hard to take out, so you use a flathead screwdriver, the thinnest possible. Also, just apply the pressure using a pry tool or so on the back of this bracket, which is over here, and then slowly work your way around through these clips, just moving them slightly up, and this clip or lock bracket is just gonna come out straight away. So give or take about 5 minutes, take your time, and it will be easy removal. I will get on to the second one now. So both pins are out. This just required a little pressure. Again, you learn as you go, so it took me only 1 minute to take this one out. So both pins are out. Now taking out the new light. There we go. As you can see, we just have two pins over here where we have to put those lock nuts on the top, and they are simply gonna go and click over here. Same for the second one, it's going to go and click over here. There you go. Now the rubber washers on the top, and the second one Okay, well, we are 80% done. I would say the only thing now is to connect the lights with it. I will just unplug that, and this is gonna be straight plug and fit. There we go, that's done. Okay, simply line up the pins where they're gonna go, the held up pins, and that's it. Now the last thing is we put the screws back in. Okay, and the second one. Okay, that's all done. I'm gonna turn the headlights on and we'll see. It's a bit in the daytime, but we'll see how that goes. All right, so we can see the lights are on. They look pretty good, also compliant as well. So there is a red stoppage light over there, a reflector is over there for everything. I am going to connect these ones, DRLs, later on with my other DRL that I'm running, just at some stage, not immediately, but yeah. So this is there. I'm just going to complete the other installation very quickly, and we'll run you through that, how the process is going to be with the turning on the lights on and just showing a demo video of everything. Thank you. So both lights are now installed. Took about 10 to 15 minutes. Very easy install. Once you get used to doing the one light, the second lights only take you like 5 minutes to do it. The only hardest bit is to take those clips out, which takes about 2 to 3 minutes each. Just be gentle and be very careful when you are pulling them out, so you're not breaking anything. Rest, it's 2 Phillips screws and everything basically comes out quickly. Now I am going to turn the lights on and test out how they go. So we have the indicators over here and the parking lights, which are standard up there. I'm gonna put the car in reverse just to check the reverse light, and the brake lights, unfortunately I cannot see myself. So all right, here we go. So the reverse lights are up. Yep, here we can see 2 reverse lights, and the brake lights are going to be over here. All right, so that's all done. This was a quick short video how to change the tail lights on your Mitsubishi Pajero, and you can see it is a very quick process. Takes hardly 10 to 15 minutes and you can get through with it. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. All right people, so now we are going to do a nighttime test and see how it goes. Good. Okay, press the brake. Looking good. Right, I'm gonna do the check the reverse lights. They are nice and bright, as we can see on both sides. And brake I cannot really see, so I'm going to just press the brake a couple of times. So do everything, switch off that. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, hopefully show was good. Thank you.